Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the shadow color on Picsart. So first of all, we want to open Picsart. After opening it, here is an option. You can see here open editor, click on that. So for changing the shadow color, first you just need to upload an image and then you just need to add shadow. So for adding the shadow, here on the top, here is an option. You can see here edit, click on that. And then here is an option. You can see here shadow. You just need to turn it on. And then here is the first option. You can see the color over here, and you can see that the shadow color is black now. Click on that, and from here you can just select the shadow color that you wanted, and then you can see that you had been changed the shadow color on Picsart. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.